Totpole zone. A for antivirus. A for application. A for artificial intelligence. A for adapter. B for bug. B for broadband. B for browser. B for bandwidth. C for CPU. C for cache. C for cloud storage. C for cookie. D for domain. D for database. D for disk. D for directory. E for email. E for encrypt. E for e-commerce. E for error. F for floppy disk. F for file. F for folder. F for firewall. G for Google. G for graphics. G for gigabyte. G for gateway. H for hotspot. H for headphone. H for hardware. H for hyperlink. I for internet. I for IP address. I for inkjet printer. I for input device. J for joystick. J for jack. J for Java. J for junction box. K for keyboard. K for kilobyte. K for kiosk. K for key. L for laptop. L for LAN. L for laser printer. L for login. M for mouse. M for modem. M for monitor. M for memory card. N for network. N for notepad. N for node. N for notification. O for operating system. O for online. O for output device. O for offline. P for program. P for fishing. P for projector. P for processor. Q for QR code. Q for quantum computing. Q for quick charge. Q for quad-core processor. R for router. R for RAM. R for reboot. R for ransomware. S for scanner. S for speaker. for server. S for smart card. T for touchscreen. T for time sharing. T for tablet. T for two-factor authentication. U for upload. U for USB flash drive. U for Unix. U for URL. W for video card. W for VPN. W for virtual reality. W for VGA cable. W for Wi-Fi. W for webcam. W for wireless adapter. W for web page. X for XML. X for X-ray. Y for Yahoo. Y for YouTube. Z for zip file. Z for Zoom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel. See you again in our next video. Thanks for watching. Totpole Zone.